We are checking the depth on this hole here, apparently. Oh, we're going to thread it. It looks like they're already threaded. I don't think that we would be making it bigger or changing the thread. So we must be just cleaning out. They must have gotten dirty or something. Boy, this is making my eyes water. I'm always worried about breaking a tap when I do threading. This is hard to watch because I don't know if he's going to break the tap off. And I don't like that. It's very annoying when you break a tap. Oh, and he almost dropped the tap. He's got it though. I shouldn't say that. He had his hand on it. I've dropped the tap in that situation many times. It's always frustrating, especially because I always work on a concrete floor. Careful, don't bottom it out. Okay, he's backing it out. Okay, good. All right, man, I'm gonna start sweating over here. And he looks like he's got a good grip on it. It's very difficult to see this video. He really should have pulled back a little bit. We got a horrible focus. Oh no, don't go back and do it again. If it's clean, it's clean. Just leave it alone. Easy. Oh my gosh. Okay, he's pulling it up. All right. Oh, very difficult to watch. All right, that's enough for today. Hopefully, we're going to call this soon. What are we doing now? Oh, looks like he's going to put the, I believe that threaded rod goes underneath, yeah, there you go. And I think he's just going to bolt it back on there. Not the most exciting video. It would have been more exciting if he broke a tap, but I think I would rather watch this video than that video. Mixed feelings on that one. All right, and let's just call that. All right, done.